Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own space on Quora, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So you have to click on that first icon at the bottom of the screen, and now you can see the create button. Click on that, and now share your interests, curate content, host discussions, and more. Name, this can be changed in space settings. So here you have to type in the name of your space. After that, the brief description, include a few keywords to show people what to expect if they join, and then you have to click on the create at the top of the screen, and then you should see your own space. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.